Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing for Spellbinders. I'm actually having a bit of a think at the minute whether I'm going to carry on with these unboxings, quite simply because I live in the UK, so I normally don't get it until about the 15th of the month at the earliest, and by which time there's a million other videos on YouTube. So I'm going to do it this month just for one last time, I think. If anybody particularly wants me to carry on, then just leave me a comment and I will do so. But otherwise, I think after this month, I'm just gonna, when I get my Spellbinders clubs, I'm just gonna dive straight into the project, because time is precious. So this is the February 2022 Always Remember. I'm starting with the card kit of the month as usual, to see what we have got in here. And card kit of the month, so we have got I'm not sure about the lighting today, it's a bit funny, isn't it? So we've got 10 cards and 10 envelopes, 9 pieces of cardstock, 13 dies, that's a lot, paper pad, stamp set, chipboard frames, chipboard embellishments, sequins, and then the usual die cut shapes, foam squares, adhesive tapes. Looking at this, it looks like it's going to be really pretty, doesn't it? And it's called Always Remember. So here we have got the usual 10 card blanks, which need no further description. The tape and squares, and this today it's a kind of a see-through AB pinky type sequin, very pretty. I'll leave the dies, and these are the chipboard frames, which are always useful for a million different things. Let's have a look. So different sizes and colours of frames. I like those ones, they're nice, aren't they? So that's that. Oh, look at that lovely, lovely stamp set. Beautiful font. Lovely type font and script font all together. The clouds will clear and the sun will shine. You are the truest of friends. I miss your smile. Never lose hope. On my mind and in my heart. They are absolutely lovely. Really beautiful sentiments there. I'm really happy with that. So these are the Chipboard Sentiments. Cherished, grateful, miss you. You will always be unforgettable. Hugs, remember this. Coffee, you're never alone, and a couple of lovey-dovey swans. Oh, and some on the back. Thank you so much. Nice rainbow. What's that? There wouldn't be rainbows without the rain. That's lovely. Hang in there, it's your day. Absolutely lovely. They're quite good. They've got a little hole in them, so you could actually like dangle them off something. So that's that. Then die cut shapes. Let's see what we've got today. Okay, so lots of florals. There's that lovely thinking of you. Oh, it's really nice. I really like that. Coffee cups, bows, hope. Oh, what's that? It's okay. Oh, I like that. It's okay. Lots of florals, envelopes, butterflies, rainbows, flowers, gold flowers, more swans, clocks, florals, a globe, that's pretty, and lots of, that's lovely, holding hands around a heart, or a, you know, one of them. Trees, absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to leave them in the bottom, I'll sort them out later. Pull them dies out to have a look in a sec. Right, so I'm going to do the card colours. Oh, lovely. Gold, white, navy, lilac. Oh, lovely bright yellow. A pale pink, a pale blue, a darker pink and a green. So that's a lovely palette of colours there. Oh, I really like that for bright sunshiny yellow flowers, because we're coming into spring. And the dies, she says if she can even get into the packet. So the dies are, oh yeah, that lovely, on there you can see the, like a wreath type. You can make an oval shaped wreath with that. And then, oh, lots of words. So what have we got? My perfect it's funny trying to do this. Sending you day made, little flowers, are, you are perfect, hello, just. So lots of nice little scripty words. Oh, okay, so for example, just saying hello. So, but you can make different phrases up with them, because obviously they're all single words. So I'm going to put them back in the packet. Oh, dropped one on the floor. Pick that up in a minute. Hope the cats don't run away with it in the meantime. So that's that, and then get on to my, this is always my favourite bit in the card kit, is looking at the what coloured papers. Looking at the front, it looks beautiful. So nice green globe. Oh, that's gorgeous. Like rainbow coloured raindrops. Very beautiful. Lovely, beautiful. You always get lovely floral paper in these pads, always. Oh, I like that as well. Very nice. Gold script. Nice. Like a, it's kind of like a smudged floral, that. I was trying to figure out what it was. Another beautiful floral. Oh, I love the colours in that. Now, oh, that's lovely as well. Really subtle kind of green, like swished. It looks. Yellow butterflies. Nice, beautiful green floral background. Oh, like a teal blue planking. Clouds, I love that. That is gorgeous. Rainbows, always good. Can't beat a nice rainbow. Another kind of swished background with pink and a teensy bit of yellow in it. Beautiful florals, always good. Foliage rather. Pink florals. That's very versatile. You can use that for anything. So is that pink with kind of a hexagon print on it. Oh, I love that as well. I love these subtle kind of backgrounds. Oh, I love the colours. I love the colours. And then we're back to the beginning. So that is the card kit. I'll shove it off to one side. And then get on to the bigger stuff. So the small die of the month I've picked up first. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oval stitch and border. I love these stitching dies. They are absolutely my favourite. because you know, when I'm sitting watching TV at night, I can't sit idle, so I have to be doing something with my hands. So things like this, while I'm sitting with the TV on, these are perfect just to sit and sew a few while I'm watching telly. So yeah, always happy when I get a stitch in die. So that's that one. Then the clear stamp and die of the month is, it kind of ties in very much with the large die of the month, which is a huge typewriter. So you've got your stamp and some florals. Be bold or italic, never regular. I love that sentiment. That's awesome. You push all the right buttons. Once upon a time, I'm typing this note just to say thank you and happy birthday to the most amazing person. So that is the stamp set, which is lovely. And then you've got the coordinated die, which will cut out everything in said stamp set. All the foliage and the florals and the typewriter, which is fab. So that's that one. And then the glimmer of the month is Anytime Glimmer Sentiments. So a really good versatile thing. And the colour that we've got this month is matte gold. Lovely. I haven't got this colour, so that I'm really pleased with that. So matte gold, and then the sentiments are happy birthday, a note to make you smile, which will obviously go well with the typewriters, happy birthday again, hello there, friends, fun and presents, hope your day is full of joy, and the final one is thanks, you brighten my day. Which obviously they're so versatile, and you can use them. You can just put them in straight onto your card, or you can do a bubble cut around them or anything like that. So it's the 6 hot foil plates there with that matte gold, which I absolutely love. That it's got a really nice yellowy gold. So then we are on to the Apg die of the month, which is called Marvelous Medallion, and it's got different these kind of what would you call them, almost like a half a medallion with different inserts, which I'm guessing you can probably, looking at the colours, this is probably a layering type thing with outlines, lots of florals and bows and things and foliage, and then a nice just simple kind of border type one. Tells you on the back. So, oh, they're not bows, look, they're flowers actually. So and there's your detail of how these things stack together. So that is fab, and again you can just use it for all sorts, can't you? It's one of those. Large die of the month. Oh god, I was so excited when I saw this. I love like anything to do with typewriters, books, anything like that, and then this is just beautiful, and it's got some really nice, quite large as well, foliage, called Typing Class. I just love it. And then obviously in here you can put in any of these sentiments, so, and because there's actually a cut there, you can slot a note into the typewriter, and then these are all your keys to give the keys some real depth, and your little thing that goes on the end that you turn the paper with. And then at the back, obviously, as usual, there's a really good description on what die cuts you need and how to assemble the cards so that you get this look of typing keys. So obviously this is one's used in red, but you could use like a nice silver or something like that, which then looks more like a typing key, like silver with a black top or something like that. So that is, I can't wait to have a go with that. I'm just going to cut a typewriter out just because I can, because it just looks great. It's big though. I mean, where are we? I haven't actually got a ruler handy today, because I'm in the middle of sorting out my craft room, and everything's everywhere and I can't put my hands on anything. But I'm going to go probably 4 inches or so, something like that. And then obviously the new beautiful embossing folder of the month, which is just great big florals, and it's called Sketched Floral, and I'm thinking about just embossing that and then putting a teensy weensy bit of colour with a finger dauber just into the middles and possibly around the edges of the petals, just to see what that looks like, because I think that is just, again, it's a lovely kind of versatile, can use it for anything, just to give some beautiful texture to the background, and then and as you know, in that nice big size, the same as before. So that is it. I may not be quite as quick. Oh, I'm not very quick, am I, normally? Day job gets in the way, you know, sometimes. But I will be doing some projects at some point, but it certainly won't be for the next few days, because it's complete bedlam in here, because I'm trying to sort out my craft room. I'm getting there, but yeah, a bit more work to do before I can actually allow myself to sit down and do some crafting. Because it's too easy just to sit down and do that and then lose yourself and not actually do what you're supposed to be doing. So I'm banning myself from doing any crafting at all until I've sorted out my craft space. So right, better go and crack on with that then and get some tidying up done. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.